think on how some hours ago together we did stand. Big word tears lay in your eyes as you tried to make me see that if you gave your love to me, I could feel easily. 'Cause I am called a rambling boy, like wind that sits so free. Yes, I am called a rambling boy, so rambling boy I'll be. I turn my collar to the cold, I pull my cap down low. I sing this song I wrote for you, wherever I may go. So I linger on this windy road, I hope your tears are dry. Don't you ever forget this rambling boy, no matter how hard you try. 'Cause I am called a rambling boy, my wind that is so free. Yes, I am called a rambling boy, so rambling boy I'll be. Well, howdy there, pluckers. Ivor Sawfingers back with you again for hopefully another interesting little dissy for you. This is a very old song, back to 1965, for a very early Donovan song called Ramblin' Boy. Okay, hope you enjoyed that. It's in an alternative tuning, so it might not suit everybody, but having listened to the song a few times, the guitar sounded slightly deeper, should I say, and I suspect he's using a detuned, some sort of alternative tuning. So I've had to play around with it and I've come up with what I think he's using, although it could be another tuning, but it gives you a much slightly deeper bass note, which I think sounds a bit more like the real thing. So hopefully if you're interested in that one, come back in a couple of days and I'll show you how I played it. Thanks very much for watching, listening. See you soon.